Have you ever wondered why mosquitoes exist? It's easy to see them as nothing more than irritating pests, spreading diseases and causing discomfort. But is there more to their story? What if these tiny, buzzing nuisances play roles in our world that we've never imagined? Join us as we delve into mosquitoes' surprising and often overlooked impacts, revealing how they contribute to ecosystems and science in ways that might just change how you see them forever. 1. Mosquitoes have been around for over 200 million years, predating even the dinosaurs. These tiny insects have evolved to survive through dramatic climate changes, extinctions, and natural disasters. But did you know? They're not just bloodsuckers. Only female mosquitoes bite to obtain the protein they need to lay eggs. But for most of their lives, both male and female mosquitoes feed on nectar, playing an essential role as pollinators, especially for plants like orchids and certain aquatic flowers. What most people don't realize is that mosquitoes are vital to ecosystems as a primary food source for many species. In their larval stage, mosquitoes help filter water by consuming organic matter, contributing to healthier aquatic environments. Small fish and amphibians rely on mosquito larvae, while birds, bats, and insects feed on adults. Their presence in food chains supports biodiversity. Without mosquitoes, we'd see a ripple effect of species declines, destabilizing entire ecosystems. So while we may despise them for the diseases they carry, mosquitoes have far more complex roles in nature than most people imagine. 2. Forest ecosystem, birds and fish hunting, mosquitoes. Without mosquitoes, ecosystems would face significant disruption. Mosquitoes serve as a crucial food source for many creatures, particularly during their larval and adult stages. In their aquatic larval stage, they are consumed by fish, amphibians, and other aquatic life, forming the base of freshwater food chains. Adult mosquitoes provide sustenance for birds, bats, dragonflies, and spiders. A single female mosquito can lay up to 300 eggs in stagnant water. These larvae hatch, forming a nutritious food supply for fish like minnows and certain amphibians, which are in turn prey for larger species. The sheer abundance of mosquitoes, especially in wetland areas, makes them a cornerstone species. Their loss would trigger a ripple effect, decreasing prey availability for species that rely on them and weakening the ecosystems dependent on those predators. Mosquitoes' reproductive capacity ensures they can sustain various food webs, contributing to overall biodiversity and ecological balance. 3. Pollination by mosquitoes. Most people think of mosquitoes only as pests, but few realize their role as pollinators. Like bees, mosquitoes feed on nectar from flowers, especially males and females when they aren't seeking blood meals. In doing so, they help fertilize various plants, particularly in wetland and forested areas. Certain plants, including orchids and aquatic species, depend on mosquitoes for pollination. As mosquitoes move from flower to gather nectar, they transfer pollen, enabling these plants to reproduce. Wetland plants, which are essential for maintaining biodiversity and filtering water, rely on this pollination process to sustain their populations. Without mosquitoes, the loss of pollinators could have widespread effects, particularly in sensitive ecosystems like marshlands. The decline in pollination would lead to reduced plant diversity, altering habitats and threatening the survival of species that depend on these plants for food and shelter. The role mosquitoes play is often hidden, but it's essential to maintaining ecological balance. 4. Mosquito research labs. Mosquitoes are often seen as dangerous pests, but they've also become invaluable to science. Their unique biology has been crucial for medical research, particularly in the study of diseases like malaria, dengue, and Zika. By understanding how mosquitoes transmit pathogens, scientists have developed ways to combat these diseases more effectively. One breakthrough comes from the study of mosquito genetics. Researchers have used mosquitoes to explore gene editing technologies, such as CRISPR, to alter their DNA. This allows scientists to modify mosquito populations to reduce their ability to carry diseases, a concept called gene drives. We can potentially control or even eradicate certain diseases by suppressing or modifying specific mosquito species. Mosquitoes have also contributed to understanding the immune system and how viruses spread. Their role in scientific discovery continues to expand, offering new ways to tackle global health challenges. They may be pests, but their impact on human health research is undeniable. 5. Mosquitoes are intricate parts of the world. Next time you swat at a mosquito, consider this. Mosquitoes, though small, have an immense impact on the planet. Beyond their role in transmitting diseases, they are key players in maintaining ecological balance. Mosquito larvae, by feeding on organic matter and water, help purify aquatic ecosystems, supporting nutrient cycles and water quality. As adults, they are vital links in food chains, supporting a variety of predators like birds, bats, and amphibians. Their role as pollinators, often overlooked, contributes to the reproduction of numerous plant species, especially in wetland and tropical environments. Without mosquitoes, these ecosystems would suffer a collapse in biodiversity. On a larger scale, mosquitoes have accelerated research in genetics, immunology, and infectious diseases, spurring medical breakthroughs that save lives. So while they may seem like mere annoyances, mosquitoes are intricate parts of the world's biological fabric, contributing in ways that most people don't see or understand. 6. Ecological balance and improving global health. The world would be vastly different without mosquitoes. These tiny insects play roles that ripple through ecosystems and scientific fields alike. Ecologically, mosquitoes are integral to many habitats, particularly wetlands and forests. They support diverse food webs from their larval stage in aquatic environments to their role as prey for countless predators. Their activities help maintain ecological balance and contribute to nutrient recycling. In addition to their ecological significance, mosquitoes have driven significant advancements in science. They are pivotal in genetic research and the development of disease control strategies. The study of mosquito-borne diseases has led to innovations in vaccines and treatments, improving global health. Their seemingly insignificant presence belies their profound impact. By examining their roles in nature and science, we uncover how even the smallest creatures can hold the most crucial secrets about the world around us. Mosquitoes remind us that every part of the natural world has value, often beyond our initial perceptions.